Load Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from finding the official download page to installing the software and opening it for the first time. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Search for Adobe Acrobat Reader Download or visit Adobe's official website directly. Always download the software from Adobe to make sure you're getting the latest and safest version. On the download page, Adobe may automatically detect your operating system and language. Before downloading, take a quick look at the optional offers. If you don't need any extra software, just uncheck those boxes before continuing. Now click the download button. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, open the installer. If Windows asks for permission, select Yes to continue. The installation will begin automatically, and Adobe Acrobat Reader will be installed on your computer. After the installation finishes, open Adobe Acrobat Reader from your desktop or Start menu. So the first time you launch it, you may see a welcome screen or be asked to sign in. You can sign in with an Adobe account or skip that step if it's optional. Finally, open any PDF file to make sure Adobe Acrobat Reader is working correctly. If the document opens without any issues, the installation was successful and you're ready to start viewing, printing, or signing PDF files. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Acrobat Reader in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching.